I'm Izzy.
And I'm Miller, and this is Columbia Cougar News.
With today being the first Monday in December, we'd like to give a shout out to all the men who participated in No Shave November in honor of Men's Health Awareness. Well, our very own Mr. Camp was one of those men, and for his first shave in a little over a month, we present Raw Holds the Razor.
Wait, how do I zoom? Oh, never mind.
It's on.
Oh, no, I was gonna say, how do I zoom?
Record?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Are you rolling?
Yeah.
Okay. Hi, I'm Mr. Camp, and I am here with
Rob Bands.
Okay, and we are going to shave this. I did No Shave November, and here we are. Welcome to December.
Let's see. Tight. So, what you got planned for Thanksgiving?
Thanksgiving, I am going to my in-laws. And
What is that?
my in-laws? Yeah, that's my wife's parents.
You don't know what in-laws are?
Bro, I thought it was like a place.
Yeah, no. I don't let things bother me.
You don't let anything bother you?
Nope. You know, for the most part, I would say all my students are really good. I mean, they're I always refer to them as, these are my school kids.
And you would look at this young gentleman like he's 19. Now he's been working here for
I appreciate that. Thank you.
You know what I mean, after this cut, he's gonna look like he goes here.
I'm a little stressed out. Have you been in the pyramids?
In?
Yeah.
Like in it?
Yeah.
Nah, I've been on it, not in the
Wait, you've been on of like tunnels, caves.
You're going on the
Yeah, he
blocks.
started. Yeah.
But the blocks fall in from deterioration.
How's your conjunctivitis?
Oh, it's much better.
Wait, what does he have?
He has pink eye, by the way.
It's not contagious.
No, it hasn't been contagious for like 2 days.
Oh yeah.
That's right, we got the broom.
Wait, Cam, do you have...
Define the jawline.
Show the side.
Really good.
Yeah, we're loving the cut.
Really good.
Yeah. Good freaking job.
Back at the shop.
Yep.
Back in the shop.
I might come back. Mike.
Wow.
Wait, hold on. Wait. What? Mike. No. I would absolutely come back and let him do this again.
First Choice Prep is offering a free SAT/ACT diagnostic comparison test on Saturday, December 14th, with a free results webinar on Monday, December 16th. This is a fantastic opportunity for sophomores and juniors.
The test is designed to help determine 3 key factors. 1. Whether students are better suited to the SAT or ACT. 2. Baseline scores on both tests. 3. And strengths and weaknesses in all content areas. For more information or to register, see your email, Canvas, or scan the QR code you see on the screen.
The Broadcast Media Center is filled with many works of fine art. There's the 2019 CCN directors Grace, Aiden, and Clea. Our deceased pet fish Todd, rest in peace. 2023 CCN director Alex James, and many more. But we never had a painting challenge. Well, that's about to change.
No, we're painting each other.
Oh.
In 5-minute speed challenge, and then we're gonna vote on who's better.
Yeah. I'm definitely gonna be terrible, Connor.
Alright,
I hope
ready?
you
3,
know.
2, 1. Okay, 5 minutes
Yo, shut up.
Why didn't you color in her face?
Yeah, I'll do that eventually.
Oh my god, you should not have done the eyebrows first. That was so stupid. Why do I look weird? You can't restart on. What color eyes you have? Brown.
I'm trying to get stuff done. It's hard, man.
Maybe you should do her eyes next. For her hair. So far, he's ready to go.
She's just a little greasy, a little dirty, you know.
Oh my
She got a
god.
little oil on her skin or something.
What the heck?
I know, but.
Let's see which one.
Oh, I like what you're going
See.
with.
I'm using time.
Oh, is that her braid?
Yes, you see. No, not really, but you know,
I think you kind of look like one here.
I might have to consider it after today.
Yeah, because you kind of look like one. What do I look like?
Very nice.
A very nice.
This man.
Oh my god, looks really good. What are you doing? Oh, it's her eyelashes.
Alright.
Okay, nose and mouth. Come on, nose and mouth. You have 40 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
2, 1. That's your high. What's done is done.
Wait, no, you have to add Charlie.
Because it's funny.
Had more time than the other. Which one do you think?
She fell on the ground.
And Todd.
Okay, here, hold on.
Beautiful Todd.
That's what I'm going over.
If you want
I think I won.
to look anything like Charlie,
I think it
like
kind of
nothing.
does. No, it kind of does.
It kind of does.
I think the hair, like
Well, the
braid-
hair,
braid
okay,
of blue
yeah,
eyes.
you do that. And
The
Blue
hair.
eyes, eyelashes.
Okay, but what is when a baby is jaundice? That's what you look very jaundiced right there. We have to like lay you.
I got jaundice.
We have to like lay you in the windowsill and like soak up the sun so that you get your color back.
Who do you think painted a better portrait of each other?
Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow.
So like, whose is better?
Or do you think Gracie won?
No.
Oh my gosh. This is really tough. All right, I have to say Liad is.
This one's better.
Yeah, it does look like Liad. It really does.
And don't I look deformed?
You look a little bizarre, Charlie. Really bizarre. But the brain is right.
Right? Who did the better painting of each other?
Obviously me. Another one.
Who did the better portrait of each other?
I'm sorry, Charlie did.
Yeah. Makes sense. Thank you.
Who painted the better portrait of each other?
Ooh. Ooh.
I'm gonna go this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry.
That's fair. That's fair.
The South Orange Maplewood School District's Parenting Center and Rent Party's annual holiday toy drive is once again providing gifts for children in our district. Last year, the toy drive benefited over 400 children in our 2 towns.
If you would like to help out this year, you can make an online tax-deductible contribution, donate an item on the toy drive's Amazon wish list, drop off a new toy at any elementary school through December 13th, or you can buy one or donate one at Spark House Toys in South Orange. And speaking of holiday gifts, in this week's Question of the Week, we asked people what's on their holiday wish list.
Okay, so here at Liz Thomas, so what's the top thing on your holiday wish list? Probably a brand new MacBook Pro.
Oh.
Alright.
Hey, who am I here with?
Z Hunt.
What's on your holiday wish list?
The Sims 3 for my PlayStation 3.
Nice, thank you.
Hey guys, we're here with Annabelle. What is the #1 thing on your Christmas or on holiday wish list?
Hold on. Probably like Sephora stuff. And an Aritzia sweat outfit. Like
Tracksuit.
Yeah, tracksuit. Yeah.
Hey, who am I here with? Lana. And what's on your holiday wish list?
A really big jelly cat.
Ooh, which one? Probably the rabbit. Nice, thank you.
Okay, so what is the #1 thing on your holiday wish list?
I'll say maybe a MacBook.
Hey, who am I here with? Samantha. And what's on your holiday wish list?
A whole bunch of clothes. Like too many clothes.
What type of clothes?
Definitely something like this.
Nice.
I love it and it's cute and it makes me good. So
Thank you. Okay, so I'm here with Scarlett. So what's your top thing on your holiday wish list?
iPad to play Roblox.
Hey guys, we're here with Jay and Ethan. What are the #1 things on your holiday wish list?
My iPad and a MacBook, because like I don't have those right now. So
Okay.
Yeah. Oh,
I'm asking for a MacBook.
what did you say?
Just money.
Money?
Just
yeah,
money.
that's a good
Thank
answer.
you.
Hey, who am I here with? Maya and Molly. And what's on your holiday wish list?
The Glossier U perfume.
Nice. What's on yours?
Legos. Hey guys, we're here with Grace. What is the #1 thing on your holiday wish list?
my #1 thing is a new bed.
So Izzy, what are you wishing for this holiday season?
I'm wishing for world peace. How about you, Molly?
I'm wishing I get into all the colleges I applied to.
Those are all your announcements, CHS. Remember to check Canvas and your email for any updates.
And teachers, club advisors, coaches, and team captains, if you have an announcement that you want on our show or the PA, make sure to email it to Mr. Camp.
Have a great day, everyone, and be sure to tune in next Monday for another episode of CCN.
And you can always check the CCN YouTube channel for more great content at Columbia Cougar News.